Hello everybody and welcome to my room tour in Shanghai. As some of you may know, I'm actually right now in Shanghai in China and I'm studying here, and today I want to show you around through all the apartment, through all the rooms, and let's get started. So here's the entrance of our apartment, and this is super fancy. We don't need the key, I use our fingerprints. And let's get in. Okay, and welcome to our apartment. So, where do I start? Okay, this is an apartment in Shanghai, nearby Nanpu Bridge, on a 20th floor. So, in our apartment has 3 sleeping rooms, 1 kitchen, 2 bathrooms, 1 living room, 1 dining room, 3 balconies. So, let's start with the living room. Okay, here's the entrance. You get in. So, and this is our living room. It's pretty big, and this is good. But the bad thing is, before us there was a woman, I guess, or like a family inside, and they had a dog. And I was running all over the apartment and left like so many hair. If you can sit here, but we never sit here because like, I don't know, it's like really disgusting. Yeah, this is living room, nothing really special. Yeah, let's get out on the first balcony. Okay, so this is our first balcony, where we actually like dry our clothes after washing, and yeah, here also for clothes. You can see it's China, you know, like so many skyscrapers. It's ridiculous. So, and pretty much next to our living room is our dining room, and this is where we dine. This is where we drink our tea, or I don't know, just like play some games and yeah, just hang around for the night. And now let's get into our kitchen, where we can actually cook, but I will show you we never cook. Yeah, so this is our kitchen, and on the first look it looks pretty good. Like you have everything you need. You have a stove, you have an oven, you can wash your dishes. But if you get closer, it's pretty disgusting because I don't know, they didn't clean the kitchen, and it's really sticky and really like oily. So here is it cracked, like everything here is like super sticky. They never like cleaned it. Here also, this is like actually from the people who was here before. Okay, and in our kitchen, or next to our kitchen outside, there's our second balcony. You can't call it a balcony, so it's like nothing, literally nothing special. You have here just, I don't know, to wash your clothes maybe or something. You have your boiler. Let's keep it like this. Here we have our washing machine. The bad thing about this washing machine, this is like a pretty good washing machine, but the bad thing about this is it's all like in Chinese, and literally it's pretty much trying out all the time, like, oh, is this right? Is this the right program? So I don't know, it's an adventure, you know. Yeah, and here is our fridge, and yeah, that's pretty much with the kitchen. Okay, the first sleeping room is here next to our living room. Voila. This is the room where 2 people are sleeping. Here, like bed, cabinet, like a shelf. And this room is usually a little bit warmer than the other rooms because the sun is shining always inside here. So I think they study all the time. No hobbies. So, and here's the bathroom, the first bathroom. It's a pretty big one. They also have a bathtub. So looking good. Gucci flex! Okay, here I will show you now the second bathroom, what I use. So this is it. This is it. Okay, this is our bathroom. You have your shower, pretty much basic. So here outside is the balcony, the second balcony. Okay, next to the toilet, or like my bathroom, what I use is like the second sleeping room. It's here. Voila. So for one person, Here bed, well made. Cabinet. This is a decent room. This is a decent room, but it's usually colder than the other room. Sometimes it gets freezing in winter especially. And here is our second balcony. And here outside, this is the air condition generator. Oh man, this thing is getting pretty loud at night if the air conditioner is on. So, that was the second room. Let's now head into my sleeping room. I think it's the best room here in the flat. I love it, I really love it, and I'll show you why. Woo, this room is nice. So let's get into my room. So, this is my room. Wow, okay, where do I start? Okay, I will start in the beginning. Before I moved in here, my roommates, they organized this flat, and it's awesome, I'm so grateful. But in my room, there was no furniture, there was just the cover of the bed. Yeah, then I moved in, and now I will show you a clip like how I kind of like renovate or clean my room or set my room till it look like now, like the finished project. So now I'll show you the hard part of Shanghai. I have to clean the window because it's super dirty outside and I want to see like the skyline and stuff. But we are now on the 20th floor. One storage has 3 meters, so it's like 60 meters high. What the heck? This is crazy. And now I have to clean. Let's go! That was it with the story, so that's how I set up my whole room. And now let's see, like, what does my room include now? What do I have now? Okay, first of all, like, I have electricity, it's nice. I have light here, good light, here a good light. Second, what do I have? This is super important if you're in Shanghai or if you're in China. Try to find an apartment with air condition, not only when it's hot, but also in winter. Yes, Shanghai has winter and winter is cold, and the air condition can also heat, and it starts to get like really humid in winter. So my air conditioner, it's really good. It has a program. It has a program to like reduce humidity. So reduce humidity in the room, and that's really good. Like, really good tool. Okay, what next? Next is like pretty much the best thing in this room is my bed. Here's the bed sheet, the pillow, the blanket. That's what I had to buy. When I bought this blanket and stuff, they gave me this huge bag, and I thought like, why do I need this bag? But then an idea came up, and I thought like maybe store there your like dirty clothes if you want to wash them, so it's not like all over the floor. And this is super good idea, super good idea. And here like my Chinese vocabs, my Bible. Here's a picture of me and my girlfriend. This I drink a lot. It's probably gallon. It's super important for me. Here down is my European candies. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, coffee, gums, books. Here is all like paper stuff, money. Yes, I'm studying here, and sometimes you have to study, you have to write anything, or you have to write on a PC, and that's why you need a table. But I didn't have anything in this room, that's why I had to improvise, and I stole something from next room. Like I asked them, oh, I need a table, do you have anything? And they're like, oh yeah, well, maybe that's not really a table, but it's kind of like a table. And this is it. It's not a table, it's more like a speech table or something, where you can fall out. And yeah, you can prepare speeches or something, but I use it like to study and to write here. Next point in my room is the cabinet. So I don't really have one. This is the only thing I have here. Here I store my shoes, and so like here is also like the storage for my clothes and stuff. Here sometimes I dry my clothes if there's not enough room outside on the balcony. Okay, that was not so far from my room. There's still one point left, and this is my favorite point. This is the view. I love views, and I love like where you can have like views like through nature or in big cities. And here I have like a pretty special view because our apartment is kind of like in a ghetto. And you have here like in front of us there's a ghetto, and then in front of the ghetto there's the bund. They call it the bund. This is like there's all the skyscrapers, and like, oh, I love it, especially at night. I can show you like how does it look like at night, so it's pretty nice. Okay, this is the ghetto part, and this is the skyline there. Wow, nice. So, and this is the ghetto where I'm actually living in. Yes, you hear it. It's really a ghetto. Crazy. They're super crazy. So like our apartment setting is right like there on top, and this is literally when you get out of the apartment setting.
But my favorite part about living in this room is the lightning show at night.
Okay, that was it with the room tour. Now I want to share with you some like small information about how much we pay, where it's located, how to find it, and yeah, how did they find it? They found it with an kind of like an agency. They had like a contact through WeChat. They showed them around. We wanted to live nearby People Square because like that's the center of the city, but the center of the city is pretty much really expensive. Then they showed them like more opportunities, and they found this room or this flat, and yeah. And here in this apartment, we are staying here like for 4 months. In the beginning, we had to pay deposit, and it was in total 2 months rent. So it's pretty much expensive, but you get everything back, I guess, if you don't destroy anything, if you're not stupid. Yeah, but how much would we pay? I for myself, I pay 380, but without any additional cost. So I don't know how much it will cost with the water, the warm water, electricity and stuff, but I guess it won't be so expensive. But like we are here now 4 people, so like 4 times 380, so it's 1,500, like in total 1,500 for 4 people in this apartment. And yeah, I think it's pretty much good. It's good. The other apartments, they cost like for one person like 500, 550, 580 for something. Yeah, I guess it's okay. It's good. I like it, and I like my room. So it's nice. Okay, that was it for today. I hope you like my room tour. I hope you like my room as I do. I love my room. So you can come and join. You can come and visit me in Shanghai. I would be glad about this. And yeah, I hope you have a nice day. See you next time. Bye.